After having Workspace, we proceed to manually add analytical data for Instagram accounts in Workspace. Select the Social Accounts menu. Select the Instagram tab screen. Select the Add New Account function. Enter the account name. Next, select the Raw Data menu. Select the Instagram tab. Select the account that needs to manually add analytical data. There are two ways to manually add data. One is to create each value row by row, the other is to import multiple data at once. Now we will try to create each value row by row first. Proceed to select Add. The type field will include data such as impression, engagement, profile action, follower, comment, post, active user, published stories, stories performance. Select the data types that need to be added manually. After successfully creating a data row, continue to create data for other values. The follower field will have variations such as gender, age, language, and country. You need to enter the corresponding values for those variations. I will continue to manually add other values. The post field also has variations such as photo, video, carousel. You need to enter the corresponding values for those variations. The Stories Performance field has variations such as story replies, story tapbacks, story taps forward, story exits, story reach, story impressions. You need to enter the corresponding values for those variations. If the data is selected on the same day for statistics, the system will only display one row containing the values of that day. You can edit the entered values. Select the Unlock function to unlock the data. Proceed to edit the values of the related fields. If you select Edit Type as Overwrite, the previous data will be deleted and replaced with the data added at this time. For example, on November 3, 2024 you have 12 published stories. If you edit the value with Edit Type as Overwrite and the value is 10, then on November 3, 2024 you will have 10 published stories. If you select Edit Type as Add, the data will be added to the corresponding field. For example, November 3, 2024 you have 10 published stories. If you edit the value with Edit Type as Add and the value is 4, then on November 3, 2024 you will have 14 published stories. After editing, select the Lock function to lock the data you just manipulated. Next, we will try to import multiple data at the same time. Select the Import function on the screen. Select the Download a Sample function to download the file containing the import fields to your computer. Here is a sample file for your reference. The Type field will include data such as impression, engagement, profile action, follower, comment, post, active user, published stories, stories performance. You must enter the exact names of these types for the system to be able to create data successfully. The follower field will have variations such as gender, age, language and country, so you need to enter the variations in the corresponding columns. The post field also has variations such as photo, video, carousel. The stories performance field has variations such as story replies, story tapbacks, story taps forward, story exits, story reach, story impressions. The columns behind in the file such as reaction, engagement, subscriber, device, status you do not need to care about when importing data for Instagram, because these are the variation columns of Facebook, TikTok, YouTube and Twitter. Please note, please enter the variations of the types correctly in the columns with the names of the variations. After editing the import file, select the account to import data, then select File, select Import. The system will notify you when you import successfully or fail. The edited values will be displayed in red. Now we will go to the Instagram Analytics screen to see how the data is displayed on the statistics. Here are all the Instagram statistics. Each value you entered is used in the charts. Each chart will tell you different meanings such as total followers, total impressions, total comments, daily audience growth, Instagram publishing behavior, etc. You can switch to other workspaces to view statistics. You can also filter the statistics by time and account in the workspace.